Explore 200 stylish TV unit designs for living rooms, 2025 TV stands and wall decor inspirations. In 2025, living rooms continue to evolve into multifunctional spaces where style meets functionality, and central to this transformation is the TV unit design. With 200 innovative TV unit designs, there's a perfect fit for every aesthetic and practical need. The modern TV unit is more than just a piece of furniture. It is an artistic statement and a functional component that can seamlessly blend with contemporary and traditional decor styles. Contemporary TV unit designs often showcase minimalistic aesthetics with clean lines, smooth finishes, and innovative storage solutions. Floating TV units, for instance, offer a sleek and uncluttered look by mounting directly onto the wall, allowing for an illusion of space that is especially beneficial in smaller living areas. These units often incorporate hidden compartments that cleverly conceal cables and electronics, maintaining a tidy environment. For those who appreciate a blend of technology and artistry, TV units with integrated LED lighting have become increasingly popular. These units not only highlight the television but also enhance the room's ambience with adjustable lighting that can be tailored to suit different moods or occasions. Paired with smart home technology, these setups can be controlled remotely, adding a layer of convenience that aligns with the high-tech lifestyles of 2025. In terms of materials, 2025 TV unit designs exhibit a fascination with sustainable and eco-friendly options. Reclaimed wood, bamboo, and recycled materials are frequently used to create eco-conscious pieces that prioritize durability and environmental impact. These materials are often combined with metals or glass, providing a striking contrast that adds to the visual appeal. Furthermore, modular designs have gained popularity for their flexibility. These customizable units can be configured to fit changing needs and preferences, offering a personalized touch. The aesthetic appeal of TV units is further enhanced through thoughtful wall decor ideas. Wall cladding, featuring materials such as stone, wood, or textured panels, serves as a captivating backdrop that elevates the visual interest around the entertainment zone. Accent walls, painted in bold colors or adorned with abstract artwork, can complement the unit's design, creating a focal point that draws the eye. For homes that embrace eclectic or transitional styles, combining TV units with decorative shelving or bespoke cabinets can bridge various design elements seamlessly. These shelves can display art pieces, books, or family photos, making the living room feel inviting and personalized. In essence, the trends in TV unit designs for 2025 are all about harmonizing aesthetics with practicality. Whether you seek simplicity, technological integration, or a touch of luxury, there are abundant options that empower homeowners to tailor their living rooms to reflect personal style while ensuring that the space remains functional and welcoming for everyone.